Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Vaguelly Professional Bugle Trumpet. This instrument is marketed towards both beginners and professionals, which is an interesting claim. So let's dive into what makes it tick based on the information available. First off, the material is a combination of brass and copper, which are standard materials for brass instruments. The construction process is highlighted as using high-temperature welding, which is said to result in a smoother finish. This is important for the feel and potentially the durability of the instrument. One of the key selling points mentioned is that it's more easily to blow right out of the box. This suggests the design is focused on playability, making it potentially very accessible for someone just starting out, or perhaps comfortable for a pro looking for an easy playing bugle. The instrument is described as being designed elaborately, which implies attention to detail in its construction and form. When it comes to sound, the description promises the charm of the sound. It also adopts a large diameter design, which is claimed to result in noise larger penetration is stronger and a smooth voice. Translating that a bit, it sounds like the larger bore or bell design is intended to produce a louder sound with better projection, while still maintaining a smooth tone quality. This combination of power and smoothness is certainly desirable in a bugle. Aesthetically, the Vaguelly Bugle comes in a golden color. The surface is treated with sprayed gold paint after being carefully polished. This suggests a focus on appearance, giving it that classic bright brass instrument look. The style is even described as fashion, which leans into the visual appeal of the instrument. Weighing in at just 250 grams, this bugle is remarkably lightweight. This makes it very portable and easy to handle, which is a significant advantage, especially for younger players or for use in marching or outdoor settings where weight matters. So we have a lightweight, brass and copper bugle with a golden finish, designed for easy playing and aiming for a loud, projecting, yet smooth sound. The construction uses high-temperature welding for smoothness, and the overall design is described as elaborate and fashionable. It's positioned for both beginners and professionals, suggesting a balance of ease of use and potential for expressive playing. The promise of being easy to blow right away is particularly appealing for newcomers.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.